The Temu affiliate program offers an excellent opportunity to earn money by promoting Temu's products and services. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make money with it. Sign up for the program. Visit the Temu affiliate program page and register as an affiliate. Provide your details, including your social media accounts, website, or blog where you will promote Temu. Get your affiliate link. Once approved, Temu will provide you with a unique affiliate link. This link tracks the customers you refer and the sales generated. Promote Temu products. Share your affiliate link on social media platforms, blogs, YouTube videos, or newsletters. Highlight Temu's competitive prices, deals, and product variety to attract buyers. Drive traffic to Temu. Use effective strategies such as creating engaging content, offering product reviews, or running targeted ads to encourage people to click your link and make purchases. Earn commissions. For every sale made through your affiliate link, you will earn a commission. Temu's program often offers competitive rates and bonuses for high performance. Track performance and optimize. Use the affiliate dashboard to monitor clicks, sales, and earnings. Adjust your strategies to maximize conversions.